Hey founders, Kirk Mitchie with Candor Advisors here. Quick update this week on something that can be helpful to every single founder, whether they're ready to go to market now, whether they're thinking about it in 3 to 5 years, or for that matter, one of the advisors to the founders. We have found over time that every single one of the businesses we work with is as unique as the founder. Either their intellectual property, the way they work with customers or clients, the way they deliver products or services, all very unique. And while the multiples that are applied to their revenue or their EBITDA, their cash flow, that the buyers will use as a metric to decide on valuation might seem like they're more generic or less unique, the reality is they're all very, very unique, which makes it a little bit surprising that we get the same questions from those founders regardless of how unique their business is. And that's also why we developed a sister company, EBITDA University. That's EBITDA University.com to answer some of those questions. Now, at Candor Advisors, we have an insight section on the website where we've got nearly 100 videos that answer a lot of these questions. But with EBITDA University, one of the things we've done is come up with 3 different specific courses. So there's EBITDA Ignite, that is a free 60-minute course that goes over the 6 secrets of selling your business. Now, these aren't mutually exclusive, but we have found that every successful process, every successful sale or capital event contains these 6 elements to it. So we cover that for free. We do those once a month. Go ahead and go to the website, sign up for one of the free courses. We have a lot of attendees at those courses. A lot of great information is shared, and we do live Q&A there as well. Then there's EBITDA Stimulate. Now that is a 90-minute crash course where we cover the idea that the buyer of your business is a full-time predator, you as a seller are part-time prey. That doesn't mean that buyers are bad people. It just means that there are certain behaviors, 6 of them that we go through, the predatory behaviors, that will give you 6 shields to combat or neutralize. If you're about to get an unsolicited offer or you're getting a lot of inbound interest in the business, you're not quite sure how to respond and you haven't yet retained an investment banker or M&A counsel, this could be $97 really, really well spent. Could save or make you millions of dollars. And then there's EBITDA Accelerate. Now this is a 6-month course where we meet every other week for 60 to 90 minutes. And we talk about 12 different things that are critical to preparing for a successful sale or going through the due diligence process or negotiating a letter of intent. All of the most important things that are likely to happen across a transaction, whether it's now or in the future. That's $497. And frankly, that one could make or save you tens of millions of dollars, depending on the size of your business. So making this kind of quick or somewhat quick announcement, even on Candor's update, to make you aware that there are a bunch of additional resources out there, and all founders and all businesses, regardless of size and type, are welcome there. So please navigate over. And of course, if there's anything we can help with on a pending transaction, unsolicited offer, or something going on related to a capital event in your business, go to candor-advisors.com. Click on the call to action button, says talk to Kirk. Give me a brief description of what's happening and how you think we might be able to help. Promise we'll get back to you within 24 hours. Have a fantastic rest of the week. Thanks.